morning. I think it's day 12 of my trip. We are in ESCO, or what's left of it. It's an old abandoned village. It was featured on Abandoned Engineering and looked really interesting. And while I was in this area, it's close to Pamplona, northern Spain, I thought, go there, have a look, see what's going on. Well, not much probably, because it's abandoned, but yeah, have a look. Weather is fresh, but not cold, not wet. It's beautiful. Stayed the night up in the Pyrenees, in a little village I forgot the name of. We'll put it on the screen. Brand new motorhome car park, apparently with rubbish and waste dump and so on, but couldn't see that. But has a nice little bike pump track, so yeah, the area is beautiful. So I will be back, and as you can hear, it's going back, it's uphill. So yeah, we'll be back and do some more exploring here, because I had no idea how beautiful it is here. Yeah, see you later. later today. Crossed over into France, driving through the Pyrenees was really nice. Had no idea how it looks there, and it looks very, very Swiss, Austrian, Bavarian. So I don't know if the model folks share DNA, and that's why they all built the same style of houses. Anyway, look very, very nice. Not as clean as Switzerland, but nothing is as clean as Switzerland. Not clinical as Switzerland. Yeah, so now walking through the Atlantic coast. Shouldn't be too far. There's supposed to be a stranded, or remnants of a stranded ship. So let's see. No idea if the tide is right to actually see it. But yeah, I'm here, so let's go there. It's half an hour there, half an hour back. And then I have to think what I actually want to do. I don't really have a plan for France. I don't want to just hunt through it. So yeah, we will see. See you later. Right behind that wall is either a motorway or something else. That is some with wind. I do think that's the water. So I think we're gonna cross in here, yeah. Yeah, and sand. Very hard to walk on. Okay. Right, I'm now walking 10 minutes alongside the Atlantic. Haven't seen it yet. So if there's a tsunami coming, I only see it around about a second before it washes me away. But let's hope. There's no